Search on Google www.gmail.com. The sign-in page opens. Click on Create button. Enter your first name. Enter your last name. Enter the new email you want. Create your new password and also confirm this password. Click Next button. Enter your phone number to verify your email. It is optional, not required. Again, enter your email address. This is also optional, not required. And enter your birthday information in days, month and years. And enter your gender. Read the term and condition and click Agree to Privacy and Policy. Congratulations, your Google account will created. You can also manage all things in this page, like emails, send or receive emails from others, and log in for other Google apps like Google Map, Google Calendar, Google Chrome.